'Cause home is not a place, it's a feeling that you can't see. A family full.
Hey guys, good morning. Oh my god, it's already 8 a.m. but to stand up from this bed, I'm very weak and tired. Yesterday was fun but very hectic for me because I woke up early. I did all that you guys saw. I also uploaded a video. Like, I was in a tight corner trying to upload my video. And I want to say thank you everyone for your turn ups, the likes, the comments, and the new subscribers. I want to say a very big thank you. I really appreciate. Diana, as you can see, we are still sleeping on on the floor. The mattress is still on the floor. But next tomorrow, our bed and sofa will arrive. Obi said he will go and bring it himself because he can't even wait for them since they spoke on the phone. I can't remember what they told him. So he now said, okay, he will go look for a van and bring those ones himself. Then he will couple it himself because we can't wait for these people. Their appointment and delivery time is taking longer than expected. For me, I'm not even feeling that I'm sleeping on the floor because I'm relaxed. I'm already used to sleeping on the floor. Even while pregnant, I like to sleep on the floor. In Nigeria, too, the same thing. So this bed thing and all, it not really affects me. If my husband that we sleep on the floor and be complaining that his body is paining him, me, I cannot relate to. But I sleep for ground for 1 year, my body no go pay me. Anyways, Hobby went to register the Jasmine in another school. Shh. But we just decided last night that Jasmine will stay home till September because school is almost going on holiday. Just 1 month remaining. So the new school she's going to, she's supposed to start today, but the school number 1 is far. Number 2, she's just going to spend 1 month there. Then in September, she'll still come back to that one. They said there was no space that she should come in September. That one that is closer to the house. So why not just wait for 1 month? So Obi and I was like, why did we even hurry? Jasmine, Mama is talking. Obi and I was like, why did we even rush to go and put her in another school when school is almost closing? Like, it's crazy. And the feeding in that school, you guys, our own municipality, the feeding, the school feeding is very expensive. So why waste such money for just 1 month? And Jasmine is also going to feel it because imagine going to school 1 month and then in September she's going to another school after leaving her previous school. Like, it's just like going from one school to another, and she will feel it because just making small friends and knowing the teachers, then boom, we'll change her again. So last night we sat and spoke about it. We said, let her just stay home till when school resume, because school will resume in September if they go on holiday in early week of June. So no need, only 1 month plus also to close up for the term till September, because their holiday in this country is always long. Hey, their holiday is usually long. Like, they used to do 3-4 months holiday. So let her just start in September for her not to miss anything. Diana, what is all this? For her not to miss out in anything, we'll be doing homeschooling. I have some books that my sister bought for her from Nigeria. Those what was the name? Queen Premier. She bought part 1, part 2, and part 3, or part 1, part 2. I can't remember. So I'll be using those ones to teach her, so she don't miss out on anything, and we'll be going out steadily for her to like see the city and all. Another thing that is bothering me, you guys, how do I stop Diana from breastfeeding? This girl is already 1 year and 3 months, and she's not even stopping anytime soon. Like, the way she's grabbing my breast, you will know this girl is not ready to stop. So I'm thinking of starting now, but I feel sad. My baby is going to stop breastfeeding. I am sad on her behalf, but I just have to do this. I just have to do this. She doesn't know yet. Doesn't know yet, but I need to start. I need to wean her off breastfeeding so she can eat more, and also plan on how she will go to school in September too. Because when she's breastfeeding, no school will accept her. Anyways, oh my God. I'm tired, you guys. The way these children are, they want to enter the camera. They just want to enter. Jasmine, sit down. Hey, Diana, sit down. I will see you guys later. Diana, they can see you. They can see you. Yes. See, they can see you. Mm-hmm. I'll see you guys later. So Jasmine was sleeping when we were like putting this together. She had no idea we have this, although we bought it when we were in our previous home because we already knew this house is big enough to accommodate all this. So Obi is going to bring her in to surprise her. Look at. Good.
Like it's the first time he's asked you.
That is true.
And you know
Jasmine, you like it? I need to bring this down. I only just tested it to see if everything is complete inside. It's complete, so I need to remove it. Then when everywhere is hot, I will just bring it out and put it up for the kids to play with. But for now, I don't want to because this is going to be outside, not indoor. Although you can use it indoor and outdoor, but I will prefer it outside.
look around and you have beautiful eyes. When your sister or brother or cousin or friend comes in your room and lays on your bed, you know home is not a place. It's a feeling that you can't.
Guys, good morning. Happy afternoon. You guys, I'm trying to wean Diana off. Sorry for my hair. I will soon go and wash my hair. I just losing it and I will soon put relaxer. I don't want to carry natural hair. I'm trying to wean Diana off breasts. You guys, it's difficult. Yesterday was our day one. In fact, day before yesterday was supposed to be our day one, but she was crying and I succumbed. I just gave her. But yet, I told myself, if I'm ready, no matter how she cry, I will not give her. So yesterday, she cried last night. I'll put some clip for you guys. There is no song I did not sing for Diana. See, I got tired. I don't know where I even saw some song I was just composing for her to sleep. Diana cried. Like, it's really difficult. I don't know how long we are going to do this. Right now she's sleeping. I didn't sleep all through the night. Diana, same thing. She did not sleep all through the night. It's been difficult. She's been crying since. And you guys, see. Can you see this? My breast is so huge. It's so full. All my chest is paining me. Like, my body is very hot. As if I want to get sick. Jasmine's own was also difficult, but not to this extent. So now I want to go bathe. Our furnitures are coming in today. So before Obi comes back, I want to try to arrange this place. I will see you guys later. You guys, I am done bathing and washing my hair and I'm waiting for Obi. He said it's raining heavily from the location they are coming from. As you can see here, it's sunny, no rain. So he said because of the rain, they are driving really slowly and he just went from work. Immediately he closed from work, he went to the factory immediately. So said they are driving slowly. Let's wait. I look sweet, right? I'm in pain. I'm in serious pain for you. Hey guys, our furnitures are here. Furnitures just arrived. The mattress, the bed, everything, the sofa. Gig, gig, gig. Hey, I'm so excited. Like, Hobby is going to like mount everything himself. Hopefully, there are manuals inside that he will follow step by step. Because if we are waiting for these people to deliver and mount all these things, I think it will take extra 1 month, and we cannot wait. So Hobby had to organize for van to go bring all of this. And you guys, it's been a lot of stress. Bless you. You guys, let me not lie. When I was recording all these videos, what was going through my mind was, can we really fix this thing? Can we really put it up? I was asking Obi over and over and over and over again, can you couple all of this? He said, why not? He's going to do it. If you have any difficulties, he's going to go to their website and check some stuff. I said, okay. Oh. So we are also discussing about how they mistakenly gave him two beds instead of one. He paid for one bed, but they mistakenly gave him two. They actually put everything inside the van for him. So he just wanted to control it with the paper they gave him. So when he was controlling it, he saw that they gave him two beds instead of one. He had to like mention it to them for them to remove it, that they made a mistake. And they were saying, oh, thank you, you're such a nice person. If it's another person, they will just take it. My husband was like, see, he walked out there and said, do. Anyways, I was just checking everything. We were looking for the headboard. We were looking for those stuff they used to put underneath the bed. The instruction. Oh yeah, oh, this was the beginning of the whole work. He just went through the instructions and unboxed the headboard. He already put that where it's supposed to be, and now he's going to unbox the rest of the accessories and the side by side kinikon. It's safe to say he did not rest the whole day because he went to work, left the house around 5 a.m., came back, went to, if I did not get home, he went straight to the factory to pick this up, came back, ate, and the whole thing began. It was not easy, anyways. It was me that brought the idea now. Obi is done fixing this. Not my favorite, but because we had no choice, at the time we were shopping, as this was our last option or our only option, we had to go with this because this was the one that was available. I'm coming, Jasmine. So, you know, I told you guys we like to double our mattress, so we bought this mattress to add to this one. Anyways, tomorrow I'll probably just arrange it. For now, it's late. This one is the couch. Hobby couldn't put this together. It's already late. It's past 8 p.m. already. So tomorrow he's going to do this when he comes back from work. This is the one that really stressed and made us wait for so long. You see, made in Serbia. Because of the war, it couldn't come in on time. This one is the couch. I said it before. Did I tell you guys today? Max 2 whole weeks we've been in this house and we love it so far. Anyway, you guys, I'm laughing in pain. You see? Can you see this? The pain, I can't even explain. Maybe tomorrow it will like subside. The pain will subside, or maybe next tomorrow. I don't know. Hopefully it subside on time. But I'm unable to eat anything because I'm scared to eat, because when I eat, it will just refill. So I'm scared. Diana is doing well anyways. She's not doing bad. She's eating well. This night, let's see how it goes. Maybe I will show you guys when anything happens. I won't pray nothing happens. Let her sleep this night. Anyways, good night. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching.